Akiaria hindi ya gikaro na atongoria a makanitha 600 a kanitha wa AIPCA, mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto ahinyiriirie matanya make ni kunyitithania a Kenya othe na njira ya gutigirira gutire mundu uri nja wa thirikari. Nioririe atongoria ya gukorwo mari maitho na gwithema atongoria aria makoretwo na matanya ma kugayania muingi na mithingi ya gikabira, guku akimoria gwitikira kuhunjia thayu.
Mimi nataka tukubaliane, and I will work hard kuhakikisha ya kwamba serikali ya Kenya inajumuisha Wakenya wote.
Ateteire thirikari yake na kuga ni ihotorete guthondeka mieke ya mawira kuri mbeu njithi thiini na nja wa bururi kuhitukira tabarira itiganite iria ni hamwe na ukinyaniria wa waki wa nyumba cia raithi o undu umwe na mubango wa kazi mtaani uria utanyitwo kwambiriria.
Tunatumia pia hiyo pesa kujenga masoko. Saa hizi tunajenga masoko 400 Kenya. Watoto wetu wako kwa TVET na universities, tunawajengea hostels. That is how we are going to change Kenya.
Hamwe noguo Ruto eranĩire gukinyaniria tabarĩra ciothe cia uthii wa na mbere iria eranĩire, guku akiuria atongoria angĩ kurutira muingi wira.
Kazi unaenda kulipwa mshahara 1,100, 1,200. Ni pesa kidogo hiyo.
Let's obey our fathers, our presiding, the national chair, the Supreme Council and your archdiocese.
Mwena-ini wao atongoria ya meranĩire kunyita thirikari mbaru, guku makiuga nionanitie kurehe urumwe na kunyitithania a Kenya.
We are proud saying that we have a coming up theological college, which we started with your own support. If it was not you, according to the status of our finance in our church today, we could have gone nowhere.
We want to have a very peaceful country, and you have done it right. Maybe the small things that are there, as the driver of the country, you will be able to articulate them. And the Bible...
Continue praying for your government. We will continue maintaining this unity that you brought, because it is the gift that you give this church. And the AIPCA United is a Kenya United.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wambui wa Njũgũna.